Yo, it's yo, boom. Yeah, let me see the cut. Today, bro, we're finna watch the WIZ subway scene. We got this requested by Lorraine Diaz. I got you. The WIZ. Wait, isn't this the Wizard of Oz? Or is this a different movie? Hey, I don't know. Either way, let's get to this. I don't know what to expect from this.
I ain't too happy on the ground, y'all.
You could tell this is in New York. This is maybe not the train station, but this is definitely inspired. What is that?
It's just a hoax, my friend. He's got a little motor in his...
What the? Oh shit. Run away, bro. Run away. Run away. Run away. Oh. Oh. Nah, come back, bro. This makes it stop. Nigga, come back. Come back. Bro, he's just gonna watch that? Nigga, help them. You're just watching. Bro, he's just watching them. Help. Bro, help them. Bro, help them. Bro, what are you doing? And how is this realistic, bro? That nigga took like 20 seconds to get to them. You are here. Wait, is that Michael Jackson? Is that Michael Jackson, bro? That kind of looks like Michael Jackson, bro. When he was like, before he turned white. Kinda. Hey, look, he could be. You never know. The trash is eating him? Bro, why do I feel like this shit's unequal, bro? I feel like this side is more up than the other side. But I feel like it's because the floor of my room is unleveled. So I don't know, bro. Shit's giving me OCD, bro. I'm not gonna lie, shit's really giving me OCD. Bro, what is going on? So the train station is fighting against them? Bro, what's going on, bro? Yeah, this is definitely New York. But bro, what's going on, bro? What the hell? What the hell? Bro, how did they make this movie? This is amazing, bro. This is... What time was this movie made at? I'm guessing like 1980, 1990. This is actually really good CGI for back in the day. This is actually really good CGI. Holy shit. Unless it's not CGI and they actually... That's remote controlled. Even then though, this is still looking good. Bro, this is like out of a this is like out of an acid trip, my nigga. What is this? This is like the most. Everything's happening, bro. The whole station is going to fight them. I don't know what's going on, bro. What's going on? What? Hey. I don't know what the fuck was happening. I need context. But that was amazing CGI. Amazing whatever they did. That was a good movie. You could tell. But that's not the Wizard of Oz. That I've never seen that person in the Wizard of Oz. The girl in the blouse. I've never seen her or the dude. I've seen the lion and the crow. That's all I've seen before. But that's all I've seen though. But hey, that's not really, bro. Shout out to Lorraine Diaz for requesting this. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all next one, bro. Stay safe.